will replicate. This is a Hadoop system. In the Hadoop system, there is a no HDFS. There is a no HDB database. There is no HTTP database in Hadoop. In Hadoop, here is HDFS, storage of Hadoop, and there is no modeling part. The modeling part of Hadoop is called map reduce. That's it. So this is a Hadoop model. I am explaining you Hadoop model because I want to explain you concept of replication. This replication concept exists in every modeling system, in Hana system and Hadoop system. Okay, got it?
But not in the BW.
But in the not in the BW, because BW use extraction. BW has own storage system.
It means replication means just copying data, so that the data will be in the old database also, and the new database, that is Hana or Hadoop.
Yes. Fine. Copy means replication.
Extraction means remove. And what is the meaning of extraction then?
Extraction means it is not copy. Extraction means we can extract the required data only. We can extract the required data only. See, here I will explain you. Here I will explain you. Replication means copy to another location. Just make a just make a duplicate copy. Extraction means extract required data and keep in staging area. Temporary area. Keep in staging area and keep in staging area for transformation. You can say simply staging area for transformation and loading. That's it. So similarly, Hana and Hadoop, they are using modeling. Modeling means on the fly. Modeling means analytical data, reporting data on the fly. Modeling means modeling is used for reporting report the data on the fly. That's it.
Fly means?
On the fly. On the fly means without storage. Without storage. On the fly means without storage in the real time. But
Mhm.
if you see the BW model, firstly data stored in the data warehouse. Firstly, the data stored in the data warehouse permanently,
Mhm.
and then reporting. But in the HANA system, data is not storing here. It is reporting on the fly. Data stored in HDB and modeling fetch the all data from HDB and report it on the fly without saving in the real time. So
Okay.
I am saving this file. I will, okay, I am saving this file on the desktop. You
Okay.
can copy it after the class.
Mhm.
And right now, I'm explaining you same modeling technique in HANA. But first of all, uh, have you created any schema in HANA?
Recently, no, because from long time the server was not working.
No, no, it was working. I said
I log in, sir. I
you
log in many times, but it was not saying the credential was wrong. That's the reason I ask you. I
the IP is same IP 1 1 8 3 8 2
hmm
1 1 6 1.
yeah, yeah. The IP is same.
Okay, I hmm,
Last 7077 I tried, and 5555 also I tried.
okay. I will send you the server credentials again. No problem. See, this is a HANA instance. In the HANA instance, there are schemas. I can find your schema. Maybe you, yes, this vid is your schema. I think so.
Mm-hmm.
I think. This is product table. I will open this product table. How can we open? The best way is open SQL console, select star from vid, select it.
Execute.
Sorry, the name of table is product. These are products. Yes. Suppose this is a product table. This is a product table. There is a rows are repeating. Rows are repeating again. Okay, no problem. So this is your product table. So I am explaining you about HANA modeling. All HANA modeling is based on based on views, based on views. There are there are three types of views. The first view is called attribute view. The second is called analytical view. The third is called calculation view. Analytical view, attribute view means set of attributes. Example, this is set of attributes. Set of attributes, example, master data attributes.
Okay.
Analytical view. Analytical view is a multi-dimensional structure. Example, star schema,
Info
or
cube.
you can say calculation view, customizable. Calculation view is a customizable view. So these three type of views. But
Customizable view
right
means what
now,
type of view is it?
yes, customizable views. Uh, Customizable views means union of views, join, union,
It means info set,
join.
info provider. Sorry, info set and multi provider.
Yes, multi-provider. Yes, all things, union, join, and like that, etc. You can do everything. You can do everything in the calculation view because see, in the attribute view, you can put attributes only.
Mm-hmm.
It's a restriction. In the attribute view, there should be attributes only, and in the analytical view, you should follow star schema. You should follow cubes. But in the calculation view, you can do everything. It is very much flexible, highly customizable.
Mm-hmm.
We will explain it later, but right now I am explaining you attribute view.
Mm-hmm.
Attribute view means
So here in this we don't have an extended style schema.
hmm,
In this we don't have extended style schema concept.
yes, extended star schema concept. We can follow it in the calculation view.
Mm-hmm.
It is a collection of attributes.
Okay.
It is a collection of attributes. Normally it is a part of master data, and it supports calculate columns. It supports joins, but but it is not recommended. But performance, but not recommended for perform. Okay, it support joins. That's it. So these are attribute point views. I will, and now I am explaining you attribute view scenario. Scenario. I have product product master table and want to create a attribute view. Steps. Number one, Open Hana Studio. Create a new package. Create a new package. Open Hana Studio. This is Hana Studio. In this Hana Studio, you can go to the content.
Mm-hmm.
In this content, these are packages. These are packages. You can right click on the content, new package.
Mm-hmm.
You can create a new package. It means right click on the content and new and package. After creation the package, it will appear here. This is now it is blank. Now it is blank. Just right click on your package, new, attribute view. Attribute view. Write specify name, label, and finish. Create attribute view. Right click on your package, new, attribute view. Specify name, label, and finish. Finish. Okay. So when you click on it,
Now
this
this, yeah,
this screen will appear.
I open the attribute view, yes, sir.
Hmm?
I open the attribute view and
Yes,
get the name.
yes. Get the name. See, get the name and label.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and this screen will appear.
Okay.
In this screen, I will say you screen will appear with following following sections. Number one, you can see the first section is called scenario.
Mm-hmm.
The second section you can see details.
Mm-hmm.
The third section you can see output. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
In the scenario section, you can find there is a semantics
Mm-hmm.
and data foundation. Uh, Data foundation means source. Source of data means object or table. Source of data means object or table. Semantics. Semantics means list of columns. Details means details of selected object.
List of column means field name.
Column means field.
Info object.
Column just like info object or
Mm-hmm.
attribute.
Mm-hmm.
And here is output. Output means uh, columns for output. Now you should do one thing. You should do one thing. Place, place means add or drag and drop your table into data foundation. It means you just open your product table. I know your product table is in vid. You just drag and drop here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and you can do one more thing. Here is a add object. You can write your name of table, and you can find your object in this list. But it's a uh, but you can just drag and drop also. It is easy.
What is this minus sign?
This minus
Mm-hmm.
collapse, expand, collapse, expand,
Okay, if I want to
and
remove, sorry, if I want to remove that table, then
if you want to remove it,
yeah,
just right click and remove.
okay. And if I want to make any change, then I need to make changes at the table itself.
There is no need. If you change in the physical table, na,
Mm-hmm.
physical table, then it will change automatically, refresh
Mm-hmm.
automatically.
Here we cannot change it, yeah.
No, we can't change it because it's a view of the physical table. Here is no physical table.
Mm-hmm.
So select your table and right click on your right click on your columns. Right click on your columns and add to output in in details section. I want to say you see this is the output.
Mm-hmm.
Output column is blank.
Mm-hmm.
If you just right click on your column,
Mm-hmm.
add to output, it comes here.
Okay.
It means this is the output of your attribute view.
Mm-hmm.
I want to add P name. It comes here. I want to add price. It comes here. So these three columns are output of this attribute view. After that, select semantics. I explained to you semantic means list of columns.
Mm-hmm.
Here you can find list of columns.
Mm-hmm.
Here list of columns. Select select key and select key and bus. That's it. Select key. After that, save and validate. After that, save and activate. After that, beta preview. See, you should select key.
Mm-hmm.
I select PID is a key and just save and validate. This
You have
option is
only
called,
you have only selected PID, not the P name and the price.
yes, PID is a key.
Okay, you are defining here the key.
Suppose, yes, here key.
Okay, means this is the place where we have to define which is the primary key.
Yes, yes,
Mm-hmm.
yes. After that, but when I am executing it, it is showing error.
Mm-hmm.
Please note, please note, every object. Please note, there is a sys repo. There is a sys repo is a sys repo is a predefined schema.
Okay.
which we should we should we should give select rights. Select means read. Read rights to sysrepo. See, in the HANA system, you cannot create views. First of all, you should give select rights to sysrepo.
Okay.
We have to write a command. We have to use a command here. Command is grant. Grant, grant select on, grant select on with with grant schema with on select, grant select on schema, grant select on schema with to sys sysrepo. I will try it. No. Incorrect near with. Oh, the spelling of schema. Now it is fine. See, it is a command. It is a command. We have to execute this command.
Always.
This command means grant. Grant means we are giving permission. We are giving permission.
Mm-hmm.
Permission of select.
Where
We
this
are giving
sysrepo
permission of
sysrepo schema is located, sir?
this repo schema is predefined here.
Okay. By
We
the
have to we have to give select select rights to sys repo. Okay, so this command Schema with to sysrepo.
So
Select
how the
rights.
command will be there? The grant select on schema name whether
Hmm.
table is there.
To sysrepo
Okay, with grant option.
with grant option. Hmm.
Every time we have to do
See
it.
the yes, it's a one-time process only.
So after select semantic, we need to write this command. After seventh step, we have to write this command.
No, we just write this command, only one command.
No, no, after seventh step or at the end, after save and all.
It it should be the first step before starting. Before starting of attribute view,
Mm-hmm.
it should be right here. Before starting of before creation of attribute view, we should mention the rights. Select rights to sysrepo.
Okay, with grant.
After that, yes, I I write here the same command. I write here. You can copy from there.
So all
Now
this
this
whole
is
command I need to write
attribute
here.
view. Yes, yes. The whole command I write here. No? See,
Okay.
see. I will click on again. Save and validate.
Error.
Now it is showing error. We can check the error. What is the error? The error is activation failed. At least runtime object error duration with encounter an error in repository runtime column store table. Oh, this error is saying this table is row store table. This table is row store table
How you how it can be know, sir?
because these rows are like that. Icon explains this is a row store table, and always remember only column store tables can be used in views. So we should create another table of column store. We should erase it, or we can change it into the row store column.
How to create
We
in
can
column store and how to change it in column.
write here create column table. If I write here create column table, name of table, and it will be now it will be column store table. Now it will be column store table, but first of all we should remove this table. Drop table product. Drop table product. Before removing, I want to check its field names. Good morning. PID premium price. Drop it. PID premium price. Okay.
What you
I
check,
create
sir?
it again. Hmm?
What you have checked?
No, no. I checked the column should be same because we use in attribute view, na?
Mm-hmm.
See, when we write here column, it means column store table. See, row store row store icon is like that. But if I refresh it, column store is like that. Vertical lines. Vertical
So,
lines.
so if while creating a table, so in the beginning only we have to make create column table exercise log bracket
Hmm.
ID primary
Yes,
key like that.
yes, everything is same.
If I'm
Yes,
not mentioning column, then
everything is same.
it will create a row table.
Row table. Yes.
Okay.
By default, it creates a row table. So I will write here some. I will insert some values here, like product. What is a product? Suppose my product is HP. After that, my product is DWL Delhi,
So in real time
and
also we need to create in this way only.
no, we the tables 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 are already created in operations. We just fetch the tables.
No, no, no. In the real time when you'll be working, so we need to create a table
Hmm.
one by one.
In the real time, we are not creating any table.
Mm-hmm.
The tables are created
Hello, hello.
because creation of a table is a part of operational team, and we are analytical guys. We just fetch the data.
So a guy need not to make a table, yeah.
Yes, no need to make a table. So see, I execute, it's executed successfully, save and validate.
Save and
It is
validate.
running successfully.
Where the save button, sir?
This
Okay, save and activate.
this is save and validate and save and activate.
So first we need to save and activate and then save and validate.
Yes, then save and validate, and after that you can go back your package. Your package was this one. You have created na? In this package, this is your attribute view. Just
Mm-hmm.
right click on it. You can see data preview. Just for checking your attribute view is created properly or not. Yes. Just click on raw data. Just click on raw data and you can find the preview of your data. You can find preview. It means you have created attribute view successfully.
Okay.
So this is a attribute view. That's it. We should do practice on it. You should create some attribute views of product items, employee, department, customers. You can create these attribute views. You should try to create four, five, six attribute views. So you will be confident enough. So after that, we will continue on analytical analytical view. So these attribute views will use in analytical view.
Okay.
We create attribute views because of analytical views. We create in an analytical views. That's it.
So it will be used in the analytical view.
Huh.
Okay. So that is the only use
So
of this.
yes, there is a one use in analytical views.
Okay.
Just like just like in BW, you create info objects,
Mm-hmm.
and these objects use in info cubes.
Yeah.
Similarly, we create attribute views and use in analytical view. This is main thing.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yes. So
Fine.
you try to fine, and the next class will be in evening. If you are free, then we
Evening.
can do in evening.
Evening means my evening
At
or your evening, sir?
my evening.
Okay, I'm free, sir, in the evening because that will be my morning here.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yes.
already
So
it's late night. So
we can in evening we can do at 5:30 around or 6 o'clock.
no
We
issues,
can
sir.
do fine.
5:30. No, if you say me 5:30, I'll be there at 5:30.
Hmm. Fine. Fine.
Fine.
5:30. I will ping you.
We can
Fine.
do one thing,
Okay.
sir. If possible, then we can start in the. I mean, in your evening time, we can elongate the class rather than taking the class in the morning. Means I mean to say that in the morning, we can take the class 45 minutes or 40 minutes. But if possible, then we can elongate and take the class longer in the evening, your evening. If
That's
it's completely
in
fine to you.
morning. I can in morning na. I can give you enough time in morning. We
Okay.
can start from 8 o'clock also. I will give you extra time in morning. I
But
will
okay.
postpone my office work because
But
morning time na I
mhm,
am fresh. Means I
I
am
understand.
fresh minded na. So that's why I will explain you more topics
Okay. So
properly.
tomorrow, okay, fine. So we'll do one thing, sir, because in means your morning, my evening. Yeah, I'll be
Mm,
at other place. So what we'll do tomorrow, from
mm,
tomorrow onward, tomorrow, although we are free for
mm,
the evening, your evening, sorry, today evening, we'll be having class, and again tomorrow, day after tomorrow, your day after tomorrow morning, we can start the class at 8 o'clock, and we can
mm,
wind up by 9 o'clock,
fine,
by 9 or
fine.
9:30 like that.
Mm-hmm.
If the time
Fine.
will work,
Yes, yes, it will work. My morning time 8 to 9 or 9:30. It will work.
then we can do the
It
same
is
time
okay.
8:30, because 8 o'clock, because the time, if we start the class at 8:30 your timing, then it will be 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. my timing. So I need to come from there. So hardly I will be having 40 minutes for the class. So that
Hmm.
again it will disturb your time and my time. So I'm requesting that if we are taking the class in your morning time, then let's start the
Hmm.
class at 8 o'clock.
Hmm.
Are you getting
Fine,
my point,
fine,
sir?
got it. Fine,
Okay,
no
fine.
problem. We can do it.
Then see you tomorrow. I mean today evening 5:30 your timing.
Yes, yes, we can do it.
Can
Fine,
you
fine
just
with
share me
them.
the server credentials, sir?
Yes, I'm sending you again,
Okay,
and you can find the class notes uh, in the HANA system. Okay.